Good morning everyone. This is me Kunal. Today I am going to speak about to express my thoughts about yoga. So first of all, a very happy yoga day to all of you. Today India is celebrating the 10th yoga day, and the theme of this yoga day is yoga for self and society. It means we have to perform yoga for ourselves, to analyze ourselves, and we have to aware our whole society. Like if you see in our surrounding that many people are suffering from many type of diseases like anxietiness, stress, depression, and they cannot come out from these diseases. So yoga help them to come out from these diseases. This becomes due to the use of these technology. Due to the increasing technology, today we are seeing various types of social medias, so that our stress increases. And yoga is very necessary for the student life, because student life is in student life there are a lot of stresses, there are a lot of burdens in students. And the burden is that study burden, and parents burden, teachers burden. This type of burdens increases in students, and sometimes this becomes the reason of suicide, due to which many students attempt suicide. You can see in a Kota, Rajasthan, there are a lot of students attempt suicide. So if students do yoga, perform yoga, so that they become the mentally strong, and their decision power increases, and they can self realize themselves that what they have to do in his life, and they can realize themselves. And yoga teaches us discipline, and by performing yoga we can develop our mental health, physical health, and character development also rises in our body. That is the aims of yoga. So if I talk about the history of yoga, so yoga is first of all the proposal of yoga is established by our respected honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in the United Nations on 11th December 2014. And first International Yoga Day was celebrated in India on 21st June 2015. What is the reason behind choosing the date of 21st June? So the reason behind the choosing the date is it is the longest day of the year of summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. Like in North Pole is tilted towards the sun, and it is the longest day of the year. That is why we have chosen, our government chosen this day as International Yoga Day. If I talk about how it is come to, the father of yoga is Maharshi Patanjali, and if I talk about the god is Lord Shiva, gives us yoga. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit root word use. That means to unite. To unite means not to unite the people. It means that unite our organs, unite our senses, unite our chakras of our body, to concentrate anything, to focus anything. Okay, so that is the meaning of yoga. And yoga, by there are a lot of poses and asanas in the yoga, so that we can concentrate any work, we can focus any work, our focus power increases, concentration power increases by the yoga. And if we have a stress, then it get relief from the stress. Okay, so that is the power of yoga. We all have to do yoga, like various old pupils also have to do yoga. And if I tell about the power of yoga, so you can take the example of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda leave their family and go to the forest and perform many years yoga, and his concentration powers increases a lot of times to the normal persons, comparison to normal persons. His concentration power is the biggest in the world. so that they become the famous in the world. They comes as a leader after performing yoga in many years. So that is the power of yoga. We all have to do yoga. There are a lots of types of yoga like bhakti yoga, karma yoga, jnana yoga, and ashtanga yoga. Bhakti yoga connect us with the god, and gives us the learning knowledge about to connect, how to connect with the god. And karma yoga, if you have listen a thought that कर्म करो फल की चिंता मत करो, so that is the karma yoga. It gives us the power to concentrate our karmas, how to concentrate in our karmas, and how to get success. And fourth one is ashtanga yoga. Ashtanga yoga gives us about the ashtanga yoga is the consist of 8 limbs of yoga. 8 limbs are yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. That is the 8 limbs, and the person who perform, who reach up to the samadhi state, they become free from the all types of responsibilities of India, and responsibilities of his life, and become freedom from his all the types of stress and depressions. It tells us about the discipline, how to manage our time, how to make our body fit, how to make our body flexible. It makes our body so flexible so that we can do any type of poses. If I do any type of poses, so we become flexible. So there are a lots of benefits of yoga. We can away from the diseases, all the type of diseases. It also consists shat karma. Shat karma means there are 6 type of kriyas we can do in shat karma. It is also called the nadi shodhan. Nadi shodhan means shuddhi kriyas. It is also called shuddhi kriyas. So we can purify our whole body by these kriyas. These kriyas are nauli, dhoti, neti, tratak, basti, and kapal bhati. Due to these 6 types of kriyas, we can purify our whole body, and we become free from all the type of diseases. So that is the shat karma, and that is the types of yoga. And Maharshi Patanjali was the father of yoga, and as I talked about before, so this is the my point of view. I think you all should have to perform yoga, and the yoga gives us the power to do any work and to fight any type of problem in your life. If you perform yoga, so you can become able to analyze how to take breathe, how our breathe comes out, inhale and exhale process. We can sense our whole body, our immunity increases, and we become flexible, self-disciplined, self-analyzation power comes to us. So this is the power of yoga, and that's all to my at conclude. I want to talk you about we all have to perform yoga, and in this day of yoga, we should pray to we should have to pray for the god to gives us power to achieve anything. I pray for you, and we all have to perform yoga. Aware our surrounding people, aware your surrounding people to perform yoga daily life. As it is a old pupil, it is a young pupil, as it is a student, all people have to perform yoga, and become free from all the diseases, become mentally strong. So thank you, that is all in my point of view. Hope you will find it better. Thank you for listening me carefully.